Okay, so another thing that you might want to do is use variables that need to be adjusted from the city size. Like for example, the number of people 19 to 34. If you just normalize that column, the biggest city is always going to have the most number, or for the most part. So what you really probably want is like the concentration to be high. Like you want a lot of this as a percentage of the population. So one thing that you can do for that is you can just take that variable data and divide it by the population. So we do equals this divided by the population. Enter. Okay, it looks good. Now this is coming out like close to 0 because it's a very small number, but I can add some more decimals there. All right, there we go. Now the min and the max formulas are here, so you can actually just drag that to the side. Oops. And again, you want to kind of adjust that one here. All right, cool. So anyways, once you've got that, then you can go about normalizing the data. So you're going to need to know the high, the low, and apply that formula. Remember the formula, it depends on if you want this to be a high number or low number. So like say you want a lot of younger people, 19 to 34, you want that to be a high number. So you'd use this version. Okay, so equals 100 multiplied by, and then you click on the data in this green column, minus the lowest number, 0.36, divided by the high minus low, 372, minus 0.136. Oh, forgot parentheses here. Okay, oh, what's going on here? Oh, make sure you put the multiply number here. So this would be shift 8, not just 100. There you go. Okay, so the highest number should get the highest score. So the one that is high on this list is the one that getting the highest score at the 100. Okay, and I might say that's kind of a pain, but you can actually do this. But if I scroll sideways, I'm going to get some kind of crazy answers. Okay, and the reason why this is coming out kind of weird is, okay, so for this one, I'm taking the number of men making over 100,000, and instead of dividing by the population, I'm dividing by the number of women, which might be what you want to look at, but maybe not. And then this one is taking the number of women making over 100,000, dividing it by the number of people that speak Tagalog. So that doesn't really make sense. What I really want to do is I want to keep dividing by this thing, the thing that's in cell D6. Okay, so let me show you real quick how you can do that. It's basically this formula, but you don't want it to keep dragging to the side as I apply this formula sideways. I want to lock it into that D column. So the D part of that here, I actually want it to always be D. But I still want to be able to, like when I scroll down, I still want to do the different populations of the different cities. So I'm not going to lock the 6, just the D. Enter. Now I can use this thing sideways. Okay. And oops. Oh, for some reason I didn't do it. So what I need to do is lock that 6 in. Oh, I just slide it down a little bit. Slide it to the side and then slide it down. There you go. And I can slide this all the way down. And then when you're doing the this formula here, you can also do something similar. Slide this one across.